Wobee! Let's learn letter A.
A is for apple, a crunchy red apple. A is for ant, a tiny busy ant. A is for airplane, a big flying airplane. A is for alligator, a big green alligator. You surprised me there, alligator. A is for apple, ant, airplane, alligator.
Let's learn letter B.
B is for ball, a big bouncing ball. B is for banana, a sweet yellow banana. B is for bird, a happy singing bird. B is for butterfly, a colourful flying butterfly. B is for ball, butterfly, bird and banana.
Let's learn letter C.
C is for cat, a soft and playful cat. C is for car, a fast shiny car. C is for cake, a yummy sweet cake. C is for cloud, a fluffy white cloud. C is for cat, car, cake and cloud.
Let's learn letter D.
D is for dolphin, a splashy, happy dolphin. D is for drum, a bang, bang, beating drum. D is for dog, a friendly, wagging dog. D is for diamond, a shiny, bright diamond. D is for dolphin, drum, dog, and diamond.
Wobee!